Hi, I'm Lokosu Silver, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save money. Now, do you know one thing? Many people receive 30% discount from stores, 5% discounts, or even negotiate to an extent so that they can save money on whatever they want to buy. The truth of the whole matter is this: most of them never save that money, and I will show you exactly how. Not only that, I will show you platform that will help you save and invest that money and even give you an interest while you are saving. Is that not amazing? I'm going to show you exactly that. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do so now, because it helps me spread this message further and faster. By subscribing and liking this video, YouTube will suggest it to more people so that this message can spread faster and help many other people. One of the platforms you can use if you are in Nigeria is Piggyvest. Personally, I use Piggyvest to save every money I save, because number one, it's helped me deduct the money automatically from my account. If there are days I default, it won't take the money of those days I default from my account. It will also save manually if I want to do so, which means my 1,500 naira that I just saved from the market, I can put it in my account and then save it manually into my Piggyvest account. Piggyvest gives you as high as 13% interest per annum, which is very rich, especially if you are in Nigeria, where saving in the bank can only give you 1% per annum. The proof that you actually receive a discount is to make sure that that money doesn't just help you to buy another thing, or you don't just spend the money, the discount that you just got, but to actually save that money so that it can be part of your personal savings. Another platform is Cowrywise. Cowrywise, just like Piggyvest, gives you the opportunity to save and invest the money that you save. This is a disclaimer. This is not an endorsement for any of these platforms. So before you go ahead and use any of these platforms, please go ahead and study them and make sure that they suit your own way. Also read their terms and conditions to understand before start saving money or investing money using this platform. If this video helps you, please smash the like button. If you know anyone that this video will help, please send it to them so that they can actually save every of their discounts instead of just receiving discounts and eating it in their stomach.